Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to unarchive a chat in WhatsApp on your PC. If you have archived a chat and want to bring it back to your main chat list, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your PC. Locate the WhatsApp icon on your desktop, or search for it in your Applications folder to open the app. Step 2. Press on the Archived Chats icon from the left menu. Look for the icon that represents archived chats, usually denoted by a small box with an arrow pointing downwards. Step 3. Right-click the archived chat you want to unarchive. Find the chat you wish to unarchive from the list of archived chats and right-click on it. This will bring up a menu with various options. Step 4. Select Unarchive from the menu. In the menu that appears after right-clicking the archived chat, choose the option that says Unarchive. This will move the chat back to your main chat list, and there you have it. You've successfully unarchived a chat in WhatsApp on your PC. By unarchiving a chat, you can easily bring back important conversations to your main chat list. It's a convenient feature to have when you want to access archived chats quickly. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more WhatsApp tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.